Okay, my people, now welcome come today matter. Una know as the thing they be every Saturday. Now would they come here to come make your weekend they jollificationable. Yes, if anyone did like that for PG Dictionary. My name is Eleno and this na I, the Red, the only boss we get 4 steering and 4 drivers to give you one thing only for weekend to make your belly dey sweet. If na news where you see for TV, you read that for paper, you hear people do appropriate, you pass. You won't hear them in another way where you take a tutorial for body. Just send and come give us for our email, where be I the Red at wazobiatv.tv, or if you take and follow us for Twitter, where be at I the Red. And we will go bring and come here, come talk and the way the thing go take tutorial for body. Sharply make it for no loss. Make I quickly introduce my guys them as you know. Always people with the day here with me to make your Saturday sweet. Now, Fred, aka MC Shaggy. That's all.
Thank you.
And of course, the old school comedian of Nigeria Republic. Of the Federal Republic, yes.
And your Teta One.
And your total one of Nigerian comedy.
Honestly spoken.
Lucky Shade, aka I Just Married.
All the time.
All the time, yes.
All the time.
And of course, the 5-star comedy general. Now what they call MC Shakara.
Yes, so as we talk, so we pledge peace. So let's
Yes.
stay out of trouble. No find trouble because everybody work out for it. You don't know who won't die with your hit and now.
Yeah.
Because for this life, every lizard lie down. We don't know which one belly they pay.
Correct. Now we can wait for 6
And I was going to say, you know what,
Always. Anytime we start the show, one proverb must come. And I know where the proverb come from. And who the proverb they always
from
come
the
from.
ancient man.
I don't know who they give Shakara this program.
And if you want more of the proverb, you know how, just go Twitter. Tell us, say, Shakara, more proverb. Where be at I the Red. And you go to see him every day for the show. Now, so you be here. Of course, 2015 election, we pledge peace. Make sure say they peaceful. If you don't say anything they happen for your area, just go one corner, peace for there. That's all.
That's all.
Okay, make it for no loss, make it for no being quarrel. The first matter in my hand, now they talk say talent, they start from any age. If you don't old, if you dey small. But this one what they talk say now talent of this little boy. Make una see the video. Make before we go yarn on top am.
Oh my God.
Now,
Oh my
please,
God.
I see the problem. When you get belly, and you can't go they take. You get belly, you dey go for last shrine.
You go for celebration.
Go for celebration. Go do all those things. When you born the pikin, see that this kind of thing, now you go see. You understand?
But great talent at this kind of age. You know, easy.
And this guy you know the flip that
No,
go.
they-
Well, that
they
they wear am. I
go
been at the
up
pikin
and
that.
down. They wear them.
You get to be say they wear am.
they wear
I mean they
am.
would have pikin. But this one we don't dey man up. We don't dey man on near mic.
What are they call am?
Now correct talent.
talent.
By this kind of age, if you hold this pikin, train her well. Now big
Not
talent.
talent.
She say the mama no smoke things when she get belly.
Person wey dey talk say small pikin, say they smoke before they born am. See as say oh, you know, cue card dey hold her face back. You sure?
Talent. You see your life.
You
See your life.
Nah, you turn her face ground. You dey touch a small pikin say mama smoke something.
But the small pikin learn that thing right from small. You go know say you no go miss.
And you don't go make mistake. I pray to even see say my
Know
pikin
yourself.
make my pikin develop.
Make you overflow.
I don't even know wetin you want
my
to.
pikin quick develop talent. Make look like we dey say.
E good make you start certain talent when you small.
If you dey
And
want you will be
hustle.
pastor, you pick your pikin to be pastor. As they
Pastor
kind
na
of go
talent.
church, everything. Now, who tell you see this one?
Na calling.
They go dey grab Bible put for inside bread.
You now some now they call. Nowadays they say whether na talent see you. No, so where people they practice preaching. Okay, wait, let me say if I say the Bible say. No. Let me say the book. Okay. Like that. They rehearse preaching now.
Yes, now all those pastors they all dress, wear suit, this front of mirror.
That church where you attend, that's what the pastor they do. That's why you come up for the house.
The Lord said. No. You're calling like
Shaka, they talk out of experience because they get one church with the area. I don't want to call the church name. That church, anything goes. That be the first church where I don't see when they sing. MJ.
In fact, that one no be church, na gathering.
Okay, now the picking way we say they sing Bob Marley. You know, you're gonna say this one don't get mental from small, but do everything way Bob Marley do, but that's not do.
Not do.
No, don't do it, because the way you know they man up and down now, you know they show say something that they walk you. Let it be the normal walking thing. Do not let any other thing to put you
let
to work.
the thing be natural, but more than that away from.
Okay, this next one, I don't know whether an Igbo man, I don't know who the man be, but businessman kidnapping friend picking sell him for 200,000 just to boost your own business.
Oh boy.
I don't know. That say the children don't plenty.
No, why? Now one no.
Just one.
Just one.
Sell the picking for Cotonou.
You not call girl that picking.
No,
not be your picking.
No, be picking na in friend.
Businessman kidnap your own friend.
Your own friend picking.
You know that kind of thing we say picking go they follow you play. So family don't believe you. Junior, from junior, you go scale up.
Man, I know to blame man like that. Now using friend picking so seed for his business. No, let me say I dey support the man, but I just dey see reason. You know, even for Bible, you get where they say they use who be this man? Isaac.
No, read Bible.
Isaac.
Oh, no, Abraham.
Abraham.
You want so Isaac.
You understand? So maybe the guy don't hear one voice. Say, so see where business grow. Now I could use the friend picking.
And the voice say the guy.
Now if you so now to make this my comedy go front.
Shag.
I know if you so shaggy now.
No,
They use juju and never use juju. I want use other
Now
juju.
Shakara go good. Shakara go good.
You know, Shakara say whether the man hear one voice, truly hear voice, but I be here read the story though. The voice say here a devil voice because when they cash am, when they cash am, we hear Shaggy.
You don't see devil before.
Shakara, now what I answer now? Now what I answer? How you don't tell you know say na God voice?
Wait, you want fight with devil? Because resemble devil. The last time.
And I didn't say resemble devil. Just have fun.
No, you said that you do some juju.
One of this voice, what are they talk? You know, say it easy make big man identify voice of God because in the neighborhood we be say no noise. So when voice speak, but when they stay in place like Okuku, when they hear voice they load God, then you can't hear one voice, you can't confuse say that look me.
Seriously, you know. But when the man come finally they confess, he say na devil work. So now you say na devil talk to him. But why?
Not this devil they work, but after they don't catch you, now they don't say that they work. But when the work they in progress,
devil work now be the only company where they employ. Devil now be the only company where they employ people where they know their company.
At all.
Now when they don't do the work finish, you go na devil company.
Now devil do this work.
But because how much he go say that kind of fine picking 200,000.
200K. It depends on the age of the pikin.
Any picking 200 too small.
It depends on the age of the
Don't tell you
pikin.
they find any picking for you. This way they no price of picking with age.
Or maybe some of all those children we no book. If they want say maybe the picking no book, now make the price come down like that.
Man, wow, this one because I don't fear shaggy now. Hey, what you get to tell us now?
That one, away from what we talk, so our ex-president, every say yes, he won't come down to our level. Now enter background, go in farm, collect Gary. When he don't prepare finish, say making soak. Boy, Shakara.
No. You know
ex-president.
that guy don't tell when you don't tell when they misbehave. Then make we
Most see the video, bro.
Most see the video. So that
we
we
remind ourselves.
Yes.
Let's say we don't more remind ourselves first.
Most say I drink am.
But forget, they soak this Gary well.
Imagine they drink garri, they discuss business.
They discuss business. This man can do anything.
Without granite.
Without garri, we wear glass.
We can do anything. This man can do anything.
So now what did they take in in time do be this.
Yeah,
So of just a drink Gary.
Maybe
they misbehave now. My friend, you don't tell say guy where they drink Gary, they say they make person dog. You don't hear that for
Yes, now.
Okay,
Gary and
coconut water.
no, that one I like. Coconut water they make your head.
Because
they make your brain sharp.
normal person where they sharp, where they intelligent. You understand? If you get agreement with people, say you join party with them, and then you don't want to do again, you go tell them say, where you? I know they do again.
No.
Man, I come on me, man, I go join on that. But you just go call crowd, say, man, I come on those people.
No, see our kick out.
If you don't say
You don't come and show me that.
Don't come up for the show with that.
I'm not old like that. So that because for here now.
Oh, see us.
Oh, but I like that one, Sha. You know, say if you wash out well, not being tear that card. Now, wise man. You know, say later dinner, he give the card to somebody.
And the one we don't
and
expire.
We don't expire. Card next year.
I go to show saying action if you no take card.
Quickly, Shakara, tell us what did happen for your side, Yagi.
Now, say sometimes you go feel get problem, but if they pain you or if you get headache, then another person will just help you say, what is your headache? Might just help you drink Panadol. You understand? If mama drink Panadol, if I drink a man, you go there, all right. I don't just want expose everything. More watch this video first. They won't watch and come back. Then we'll come tell us what happen. More I watch.
You go to Nigeria, which is, if not the most corrupt nation in Africa, and it is, it could be the most corrupt nation in the world, Minister Farrakhan.
Oh, now, Mr. Wallace.
It is the most corrupt nation that I have ever covered. I've been there 25 years ago, and I've been there as recently as last year.
Fine. So what? 35 years old. That's what that nation is. Now, here's America, 226 years old. You love democracy, but there in Africa, you're trying to force these people into a system of government that you just have accepted. 30 years ago, black folk got the right to vote. You're not in any moral position to tell anybody how corrupt they are. You should be quiet and let those of us who know our people go there and help them get out of that condition. But America should keep her mouth shut wherever there's a corrupt regime, as much hell as America has raised on the earth. No, I will not allow America, or you, Mr. Wallace, to condemn them as the most corrupt nation on earth when you have spilled the blood of human beings. Has Nigeria dropped an atomic bomb and killed people in Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Have they killed off millions of Native Americans? How dare you put yourself in that position as a moral judge? I think you should keep quiet, because with that much blood on America's hands, you have no right to speak. I will speak because I don't have that blood on my hands. Yes, there's corruption there. Yes, there's mismanagement of resources. Yes, there is abuse. There's abuse in every nation on earth, including this one. So let's not play holy to moralize on them. Let's help them.
I'm not moralizing. I'm asking a question, and I got an answer.
Why would you put it as the most corrupt regime in the world? That doesn't make sense.
Can you think of one more corrupt?
Yeah, I'm living in one. I'm living in one. Yes. You've done a hell of a thing on this earth, so you should not be the one to talk. You should be quiet when it comes to moral condemnation, in my judgment.
You see, now better medicine drink so.
You keep quiet. Yes.
Nah, better medicine.
When you want your Igbo man.
Oh, more. I wish that Farrakhan and Nigeria, I go too they proud. But I see they proud. See where the man they talk to that white guy.
What's wrong with him?
You should be keep quiet.
The word corruption, no be Igbo word.
Na them.
Na Nigeria word.
Na the right
Na
answer.
Yoruba word. Na Igbo word. Na Hausa word. It's a Igbo word.
What is the corruption for Yoruba?
I even know.
Na go you.
They say we corrupt. Our only suicide bomber we try.
You know even succeed.
Nine lap. Now the thing just.
Now even smoke you come on. You know succeed.
You not succeed.
People say na knockout. Not even carry safe.
You say na matches. What's wrong with all these people?
Seriously.
But the guy defend us.
So that means now for where we dey in terms of corruption, for where America dey, Nigeria no corrupt.
At all.
You get this man talk so. Nigeria no corrupt. That's how our president be drink garri that time. How he feel?
Because there's no problem in this country.
No problem. No corruption.
It's just money exchange hand.
No, we corrupt.
Just to give money so that go cover some kind
Your
of
brother want talk.
Man, no joke, we corrupt. Oh. Because you get one show I go for Asaba last week to show you where corruption dey reach. Your own colleague, we call himself colleague. Siphon your own money. Remove money where they give another person inside envelope. You remove am from inside the envelope. Tear the envelope.
Come on one note.
Out of the many notes.
Sure.
You know I no blame the guy wey do the thing. Na person wey don dey the industry for years. You understand? You don't know whether he dey inside the industry or the industry dey inside am. It's just
No, we corrupt. You know why?
We corrupt, abeg.
Even some of the government
we're not
said for
corrupt,
this
we're not
country.
corrupt, we're not
With
corrupt.
some don't tell me that.
We're not corrupt.
Don't tell me that.
Excuse me.
I was in one
We're
of the
not-
ministry of housing. I'm saying it. They are corrupt.
Them
We're not corrupt.
We are going on a break. We are going on a break, but when we come back,
But I don't know why
there's
we're not
corruption.
corrupt. sir.
Elegant court, there's corruption.
Now them corrupt. We
Yes.
not corrupt.
We're not corrupt.
Them corrupt.
Even
We
on
not
our day,
corrupt.
corrupt. Time
When
of
we go
break.
break.
Time of break.
Time
And I
of
use that
break,
they argue.
sir.
That's corruption.
That's
With the corruption, corruption.